Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of a Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, April the 26th, 2022. Yes, tomorrow it's Kingsday. Yeah, celebration. So people don't have to work tomorrow. The celebration of the birthday of the king. Yes, but we have not so good news today, because in today's newspaper we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's Medium Sudoku. Let me show you in this newspaper. We have no extra puzzles, no additional, no puzzles. So what will I do today? Only one puzzle? No, let me continue with the yesterday's edition. Yes, yesterday's edition with the additional. I believe we have 3 puzzles left. So yeah, no puzzles, so only one regular Sudoku. First I will solve this baby, and then later on in the evening I will solve in the yesterday's edition the rest of the puzzle of the additional. Alright, first this one. This will be number, let me see, number 4461. 4461. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27. Should be an easy one. 27, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. A 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Oh, I cannot continue with the 6. How about 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 in this first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in the second row, so no 5 in this box. Here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in that box. 1 box left for 5, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is 7. And the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, almost overlook this 7. Okay. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. 2 boxes left in the first row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column B3, the middle column, no need 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column B3. The second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. Yeah. I'm thinking. 2, 8, 4. No, 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column, 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 is, cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Wait, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, now only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Still cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between them and the column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. Let me mark those. 1 and a 2. So what are the other pair in this big square? Those numbers are the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. 9 should be here, and the 8 it goes there. 9. Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. Here 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. 1 box left in this last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Cannot continue with the 5. Well. 5, 9, 6. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column left between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 5. Then 1 and 7. Ooh, 1 and 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. For number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you, faster than 15 minutes I need for a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share you with the data. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here 863, 863, 457, 457, and 239, 239. I believe we have one pair. The 3 as a pair here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, only one pair. Alright. Thank you. And yeah, I will see you later on in the evening with the other puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Yes. And tomorrow, yeah, it's Kingsday, so free day, no working. Have a great and fantastic day tomorrow. We'll meet again very, very soon. Bye bye.